It's been a lot of fun catching up.
That's so fast, nefarious. You've got some under.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, I'm agree with Dark Shadow. Well, you.
You've done some underhanded things in your time, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an Intergalactic Tool of Justice Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your present.
Oh no.
That's not one of mine.
Yeah. What the? What are these? Looks like I'm gonna bunch you. Look at that. Look at the baby. Oh my. Where are we? What? Oh man. Huh? Where am I?
Disengaging primary cryo feed. Wait, get quiet, would you?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Wait, where are we? I do not know. Have you located core?
Help here, someone? I think my thing is broken.
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse? Good job.
Yeah.